Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this FivePears auger bit. So, cool little box here. Anyways, this little on thing unscrews, and out comes this. This is 2 1/4 inch hole drill here. So whether you need to do a little doorknob hole in your door, or just a larger access point for different various things. Wow, check that thing out. This thing looks pretty legit, has a nice point there. So get it centered and then cuts perfectly around there with these other ones. Pretty interesting design here. I haven't seen one like this before, but seems pretty beefy here. So another thing, these are sharp, so I do like that it comes in this little container. Pretty neat little container, just screws down on there like that, and you can hook it on your pegboard or whatever. Anyways, let's go in the garage and test this thing out, see how well it works. All right, here we go. Let's test this thing out, shall we? Get it on there and just try to... Wow. And that is cutting through that like butter. A little low charge on my drill here though, but check that out. Look at all these shavings though, which is really cool. It just kind of makes these little conical shaves out of that, but nice and smooth cut here, and it just kind of bores right through it. Change out my battery, but that thing is legit. Works really well, my friends. You just kind of go back and forth. It holds true in the middle there, so you can just kind of go back and forth, work your way through that. And this is really super hard wood too. This has been like basically in my garage for I don't know how many years, but it is. There's no moisture in this thing at all. It is really solid. So yeah, pretty legit. I was just bored through it like butter pretty much. I mean, of course my battery dies when I need it the most. But anyways, thanks for watching this, my friends. If you're looking for a nice little hole bore right here, look no further. Have a great day, and I'll catch y'all next time. All right, changed out the battery here. Let's get this going. All right, so this works really well. As we can see, nice clean cut. This is not the most powerful drill, obviously. I have a DeWalt, like a plug-in one, that would probably cut through this thing like butter, but it works well. With other like doorknob ones, if you try to cut through, it'll keep that up inside of there. So if you're going through one with like this, what it's going to do is all that stuff usually gets caught up in there, so it'll make a little plug in there, and sometimes that'll get stuck and it's kind of difficult to get out. I like how this just chucks all this out of the way. It doesn't make a big mess there. So pretty sweet addition to the little repertoire here, and yeah, it does a good job. So thanks for watching this video, my friend. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.